Okay. Good
So
afternoon.
we are meet. Good afternoon. We are
How are
meeting
you,
very
ma'am?
first time.
Yes,
I
yes.
am, yeah, I am fit and fine. I am doing very well.
Okay, great. So, this is our first conversation. So, please introduce yourself.
Yes, of course. So as you know, my name Sandhya Tiwari,
Yes.
and I was a teacher earlier. Now I am completely homemaker. I am situated in Thane, Maharashtra, and these days only my hobby is learning this language. Whatever I am doing these days related to that language. So that's all about
Okay.
me.
So that's
And as
nice.
well, I am running a YouTube channel too, because
Okay.
of learning this language. Yeah,
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm also run a YouTube channel to improve my speaking skills.
yeah. I saw your channel when you commented me. So I saw your channel and I searched your email ID in description box, but I didn't find. That's why I again commented on your video because I
Yes,
didn't find the way where I can connect you. You commented me you want to talk to me, but where I
yes.
send you link, that's why I
Yeah,
commented on your video because I didn't know you are on that platform.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, so, okay.
So
So, ma'am,
this
tell
is
me
this is
about, yeah.
no, ma'am. I want to your introduction. It is
Okay,
now your
okay.
turn.
Introduce myself. My name is Kalpana Gangwar. I'm from UP. I'm a MA BEd and I am a homemaker. I run a YouTube channel. Yeah, and I have a kid. And my interest
Wow,
is in singing, dancing, listening music, and reading books. So that's all about me.
wow, multitasking. All the ladies,
Yeah,
every
yeah,
every lady, they are all multitasking.
yeah.
So how old is your son?
He is 10 years old.
10 years.
Yes,
Wow, it is good for you. That good opportunity, and
yes,
as
yes.
well, and it is
And
too difficult as well.
yes, I'm learning this language just because of him. Because this thing helps him. If I learn English, then this I can make him fluent.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
and you know that is golden opportunity for you. Conversation in English is beneficial for both mother and
yes,
son.
this is beneficial for both.
Yeah, and I am happy to hear that you are learning this language for your son because you took your step in very early because your
Yes,
son is only 10 years old, and
yes,
when
yes,
he will be become teenager and in 10th, uh, he will go in 10th and 8th. That time he will be fluent because
yes,
of
yes,
you.
yes. And the second reason is that I'm passionate about this language since my childhood, and I'm good in English, but my speaking is not good. So I want to improve this.
Yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
when it come to speak, so because we didn't get atmosphere actually. Yeah,
Yes.
that's the
And
reason after graduation, many people, not 55% in rural area, 75% people are like us. They didn't get
yes, yes,
atmosphere, they hadn't, so that's why they are not able to speak. But
yeah,
here we, these days, everyone wants to improve their skill because free of
Yes,
cost they get
at this
at
time,
this
everyone
platform.
wants to, most of housewives trying to improve their speaking.
Actually, no, everyone passionate about this language since our childhood, but they don't get atmosphere. And now everyone's children grown up and they have
Yes,
time. And main point
they
that
have
is
time and we
significant
need to
point.
learn this language.
This is significant point. This time they get a platform. If you
Yes,
earlier they we are wanted to learn this language, but nobody around us to speak with us. And you
yes,
know, I am on this platform. Everyone connects each other, so their hesitation come out
yes,
these days,
yes. In this way, we
and
can,
happiness
we
as well.
can, yeah, we can get over all types of fears,
Yeah, because we get
and
a
we
friend
can
here.
share, yes, we can share our ideas, our thoughts, and we can learn more new things from others.
Yes, yes. And
Yeah.
better part of that, we not need to go other outside for that.
Yes, yes, we can learn this language at our home.
Yeah, and with joy. We are learning this
Yes,
language
yeah,
with
and
joy
we are,
because we not need to spend money behind that and our traveling time and money. We are
yes,
saving both here.
yes, yes. We can save our money and time both. This is the good thing.
Yeah.
And yeah, so ma'am, please tell me about your family.
Yeah, here is only my son with me, and sometimes I
Okay.
not sometimes in every winter season my in-laws also living with me for 5 months, and after
Okay.
that they don't want to live here because in my village there is a big land, yeah,
Okay.
fertile land there. So my father-in-law go there and they ask whatever they uh, farming is doing by someone. He is not doing himself.
Yeah.
Other person, yeah, other person do. But yeah, my father all the time they go there for 4 months, 5 months, and they want to take that command in his hand. Actually,
Yes.
yeah, that's
Okay. So, ma'am, we can discuss about friendship.
yeah, of
Oh,
course.
so, yeah. So, tell me, what is your opinion about friendship?
Yeah, friendship is very good, and I can say it is a very good gift, unique gift by given the God to us.
Yes,
It is
yes,
very beautiful, very unique. Friends means when we got a friend and see them, we always feel like a child.
yes, yes.
But only childhood friends, when they meet, their feeling and that happiness is different. We have lots of friends, but when
Yes,
after graduation and after transferring here and there, surrounding people, so that friend is different.
yes, yes,
Very, very few friends close to you in this journey. But your childhood friend, close friend, maybe it's called. Uh, so that friend, when you become older, 80 years, and become senior citizen, even
yes. And
you see your
yeah,
child friend, your feeling was like a small child. You
Yeah.
remember your all the memory, and you feel very happy, very light, and be very excited. How can I spend time
When
with
we with
them?
when we live with our friends, that time we are very happy. Yeah, and
Yes,
yes, and we can share our secrets. We can share anything with our friends.
yeah, friends are
Sometimes we
very.
can't share with our parents, our family member. Then we need that time. We need a friend, a good friend who we can share anything from her and him.
Yes. When you are in any shadow or any you stuck anywhere,
Yeah, and this
interrupt.
is the yeah,
Yes,
this is
that
a
time our. Yes, yes,
yeah, this is a very unique bond
yes,
between two unknown people, two and more unknown people.
yes.
Yes.
Because
So and
after I think mother and child relation is unique, and after that relation, second relation is friends relation.
yes, yes, and we should try to friend with our kids, our children. Yeah, we
Yes.
should try to make friend our children, our जो है kids.
Yeah, but that is also a unique way. You try hard to treat them like a friend, but it is not possible because your mother and I, we always protect
Yes,
them.
but sometimes we
But
can talk
but
with like a friend.
yeah, sometimes it's okay. But
Yes, then
you
they always ready to tell everything. And if
yes
we are always strict with him and her with their children, that is not good for them.
yes
Yes, and they hide all these things.
yes
That's why I'm saying.
yeah. You can make your friendship with anybody, your mother-in-law, father-in-law, your parents, your sister, with anybody. But all that relation is different. You are a very close friend. Still, you are not able to open-heartedly share your things. You are talking
Yes,
your father-in-law, but you can't express with them as you express your father. Mother-in-law is
yes,
my
yes,
good friend, but
yes,
I am not treating like my mother because childless nature. We say our mother anything. Yeah,
yes.
when
We
you
can
feel
share
joy,
anything
when
with our
yeah,
mother.
when I feel joy and when I feel sad, yeah, in angry mood, in in that situation, we can say anything to our mother. Our mother
Yes,
bear that thing, and she didn't mind if she get angry after some time. Later, she will forget that thing. But mother-in-law doesn't. Why? Because we are grown up and then we meet our mother-in-law, so some boundary there, and we should maintain that boundary. Agar
yes, yes.
mother
We should. Yeah.
mother and mother-in-law is same, why differences, that name is different? No,
Yes.
because uh, God given us mother because we nurturing there, and any naughtiness, anything we, it is possible to make there. But here our new journey will start, and if we treat our mother-in-law like a mother, so we never grown up.
Yes, yes,
And in future, we should also we will be play that role ahead.
Yes, yes,
So that's why here need a balance. No, so that's why
yes,
people always think कि mother-in-law is not good, but no, mother is teach you love, but mother-in-law teach you responsibilities about responsibilities.
yes, yes,
That's the difference here. And it should be, it must be, not should be, must be. होना चाहिए ऐसा.
yes.
No.
Okay, ma'am. So I want to wind up this session.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
of
and I
course.
would like to connect with you again.
Yeah, same here, same here.
Yes,
Anytime,
nice talk to you.
anytime. Thank
Yes,
you.
thank
Yeah,
you.
I also enjoyed this session with you. Until then, bye
Yeah,
bye. We'll,
okay, bye.
yeah, bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, same here, ma'am.